Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your online class, Class 1, Maths World, Chapter 4. Students, today we will learn about various currency notes and coins prevailing in our country. Dear students, I went to market and bought a pencil box for rupees 20, colors for rupees 50 and a doll for rupees 100. Similarly, Simran, Manjot and Sahaj went to market. Simran bought a pencil for rupees 5, Manjot bought an eraser for rupees 2 and Sahaj bought a notebook for rupees 20. Dear students, we come to know that we need money in order to buy things from the market. And this money is available in the form of notes and coins. Let's learn about some notes and coins which are prevailing in our country. We will recognize these notes and coins one by one. Students, this is 1 rupee note. It's a 2 rupee note. This is 5 rupee notes. Students, this is 10 rupee note. Now this is 20 rupee note, dear students. This is 50 rupee note. And this is 100 rupee note, dear students. So these are some of the notes prevailing in our country, ranging from rupee 1 to rupee 100. Dear children, now let's have a look on some of the coins. This is 1 rupee coin. It's a 2 rupee coin. Now it's a 5 rupee coin, dear students. And this is 10 rupee coin. So students, we see that we have some coins and notes of the same value. Like we have 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee note, 2 rupee coin and 2 rupee note, 5 rupee coin and 5 rupee note, and similarly 10 rupee coin and 10 rupee note. So these are all Indian currency notes and coins ranging from rupee 1 to rupee 100. Dear students, each country has its own currency symbol to represent its money. In India, this symbol is used to represent money in rupees. Students, always remember to use this symbol before the value of money to represent our currency, like rupee 2, rupee 5, rupee 20, rupee 50 and rupee 100. This is our currency symbol. Now it's time for past question. Here a note is given. Identify the value of the note and tick the right option. Option A, rupee 10. Option B, rupee 5. Option C, rupee 20. Option D, rupee 50. Which is the right answer, dear children? Yes, well done. It's option C. It's a 20 rupee note. So we put a tick on option C. It's time for homework now. Take different notes and coins from your parents and identify their value. Goodbye, students.